Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do some space facts. This isn't the only space fact you'll know. Every day, more space. 2 facts that fit together perfectly. If I don't tell you the first, you don't understand the second. The moment the moon was born, very violent. The Earth was a little baby. No, it was just a young planet. It was a new planet before life ever existed. The 4 footsteps. It was too hot for life. But when it was just a young planet, an asteroid hit it. A giant chunk of the Earth came out, which eventually became the moon we know. I mean, that is a moon. The moon is a big chunk of the Earth. How scientists know this is in the moon, they saw part of the Earth's core. Wow. Oh, yeah. So, eventually, well, at first it was a donut. A giant donut that you can step on. Actually, you can't because it's too hot. And now it's at this point, billions of years later, formed into the moon we know. And the moon is still cooling down from that moment, which is causing it to kind of like rumble and shrink. It's like shaking and shrinking. This is what the moon's doing right now. It's going like this. So imagine this was the moon before. And then it just shrunk into this, and it might just shrink into that. Nothing. Right now, if you saw it in the sky, it'd be like about the size of my head. But that's not what the moon actually looks like. Of course, it does not look like my head. It's not as big as my head, it's way bigger. It's like big enough to be a planet. No. Why are you grunting? No one told you to. Don't ask why I have chocolate on my face, okay? Alright, guys. Well, did you know the sun has an atmosphere? Just like every planet. Just like our planet. Right here. The Earth. That doesn't make sense. Earth. Also, did you know? On this side of the planet, it's daytime. So if you're on the other side of the world, it would be pretty cold. Because it would be nighttime.
Escape is fast. Quick.
I'm trying to teach space facts. Alright, so guys. Wanna know why nighttime is so cold? Well, nighttime is so cold because Earth is rotating, and the side of the world where it's nighttime isn't facing the sun. That's why we can't see the sun. It's facing the moon. Earth has a shadow that goes into space. And the reason that sometimes the moon turns blood red, that's because of Earth's shadow. I think. Wait, no. You know that time when it gets dark outside, but it's daytime still? That's because there's something in space blocking the sun's light. Guys. Anyways. What was I saying again? Nighttime is cold because it's not facing the sun. So that's why you can't see the sun and only the moon. Also because the moon's on that side. Also, it's facing Earth's shadow. Alright. Did you know that if a star's 6 times bigger than the sun, it's gonna explode soon? Maybe in like 500 years? Yeah. It's gonna explode soon then. Because in space, 500 years is pretty short. Like very short. Like planet. Oh, this is something that we need to figure out how to fix. Something we need to fix right now, or else we will not be alive. No. Oh, so guys, this is not what you call good, okay? Look, we're just getting further from the sun. Alright, so guys, what was I saying again? No idea. I remember now. Scientists have to stop this. Else, well, it's no. Well, this is already started. Scientists have to stop it though. If they don't find a way to stop this, all life on our planet will be wiped out. Well, maybe not all. There's a chance. Like, animals that like live in heat, but yeah, there won't be life on our planet anymore if this happens. If they don't find a way, I'll have to help. But I just might need to become a scientist. Alright, guys.
What, are you recording right now?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You going on the street for me?
So, Earth is getting further from the sun and closer to Saturn, which might cause it to catch Saturn's gravitational force, which already happened. And it just might. We just might collide with Saturn. We'll start seeing Saturn in our night sky soon. Skies will be brighter. Every day, Saturn gets closer and closer. Soon, we'll be destroying some of Saturn's rings. Then asteroids will start chasing us. And then, we'll collide with Saturn, become a ball of rock, disintegrate, and replace all of Saturn's rings that we're missing with Earth. Maybe one day Saturn will lose all its rings, including Earth. Maybe the same will happen to Saturn. Maybe it'll lose its rings, and it'll go to a different planet that was new form, like formed amalgam. And then Saturn might become Earth, and Earth might collide with Saturn again. Who knows? Actually, apparently, we were supposed to die in 2012. Anyone born in 2012? If that happened, anyone born in 2012, they'd just be like, goo goo gaga, oof. They just Yeah. Yeah, we're overdue. Humans. Us humans are overdue. We were supposed to be gone in 2012. Anyone born in 2012? Not good. Imagine that. Imagine if you were just born in 2012 and you just like, and then you just come out and you're like, goo goo gaga, gaga goo 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 gaga, and then you just like die. Imagine that. You're just like born, you're like, goo goo gaga, ooh, and then you just like get hit by an asteroid. Imagine that. You're just like, goo goo gaga, and then you just get hit by an asteroid. Imagine that. That'd be so funny. Imagine that. Imagine if you saw that happen, though. Imagine if you, like, filmed that and put it on YouTube. Imagine that, though. You're born, and then you just say your first goo goo gagas. You're like, goo goo gaga. And then an asteroid just goes, no more goo goo gagas for you. And then you're like, goo goo oof oof. Imagine that, though. That'd be so funny. No, that'd be so funny, though. Literally. Also, yeah. Well, some space facts. We're overdue. Apparently, years ago, a planet was supposed to collide with us that wasn't in our galaxy. It was in our solar system, though. Now, but the planet was just too lazy to collide, but it'll collide with us soon. Beware for our planet. Beware. You just might see some rings in the sky soon. Beware to see some rings in the sky. Imagine just having a normal day, and you're just going home, and then just like go outside at nighttime. You're just outside at nighttime, you know. You just go outside just to look at the beautiful night sky. And then you see Saturn's rings. Imagine that. It's like the day before, it's just completely normal night. Like, imagine that. One day you're like, do. At nighttime you decide to go out and look at the stars, the beautiful night sky. And then you just look at first and you're like, okay, normal. And then you blink and then you realize Saturn's right there in front of your eyes. Imagine that. You're just like, da-di-da-di-da. Oh my God, why is Saturn here? Bye. Literally, though, imagine that. You're just like, la-di-da-di-da. Oh my God, why is Saturn there in the sky? Bye, guys. See you in the next video. Don't be shy. Hit subscribe.